Hey there! So if you guys have plants and you love to garden, or if you love houseplants, or if you own a business, this is a perfect tracker to keep track of all of your plants. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. This is going to calculate the total number of plants for you and calculate the value of your collection. So if this is your personal collection or business, this can work either way. So all you have to do is you take the cells. You're just going to highlight them and hit the delete key if you need to start over. So we'll just highlight everything and hit the delete. We'll put everything in here. So you'll put the name of your plant, the botanical name, the category. So this is a house plant. I'm going to say that I've got 10 plants. Where did I get them? I got them at the nursery store. And then say I got them on the beginning of this year. You can choose from the drop-down box the type of light needs. How high is it going? How tall is it going to get? So I'm going to say 4 inches max. Water needs weekly. Location, we're going to say that this is on the windowsill. Condition, what condition is it in? I'm going to say it's in great condition. When to fertilize, I'm going to say I fertilize every once a week. When I water it, I water just a little bit with a little African violet fertilizer. I repot, say, every month. The last watering was last week. And then common issues, we're going to say wilted leaves. The cost, you can put in, say, $5.99, and then it's going to automatically calculate the value of all of your plants. So it's going to multiply your plants times your value, and then you can put in any notes that you'd like. If you wanted to change any of the categories, if there's something that you have that isn't listed or any of the other items, you just hit this edit button, and then you can scroll down and choose another item. And then you can change the color as you like, hit customize, change that color, hit OK. And then this is going to apply to range D5. And then it's going to, let's say our row goes down to 994. So I'm going to change it D5 to D994. Hit done, and it will change everything from every single one of the drop-down boxes. So that's how to change that. If you're in Excel, there's a different way to do it. I've got a separate video for that. So, and then if you're also in Excel, the double click to open up the calendar doesn't work. You just have to put in the dates. So it's a really simple sheet to use. Hopefully this will help you. It's available at savvyandthriving.com, and you guys have a great day.